My name is George Afolayan. I was born and raised in Nigeria. Everything I learned at Atlantis has prepared me for what was coming. And now, where I find myself now, I find everything I learned at Atlantis to be very useful. From the courses, Leadership in Healthcare Management, which was the first course I took with Dr. Marie-Flore Lindola Totu. That woman is great. From the Human Resources course, from the most of the courses, even the extra classes I took in Business Intelligence and Analytics, I'm very grateful because it's been of huge help for me, humongous help.
My experience in my MBA was great, fantastic professors. I had a great opportunity like working at the university, at the campus. I did my internship here, and also I worked after I graduated, I did my OPT at the university. My motivation to come to Atlantis was that it was like a brand new campus, and I've heard about very good professors and not so big classes. Also, one more thing is that Atlantis University is only a few of universities here in Florida has the STEM programs, which means programs that are from science, technology, engineering, or math. They have the advantage when you graduate from a program in those fields, you can apply for a 3-year OPT.
I was awarded opportunity to work along with Professor De Leon on some amazing projects. I absolutely loved the opportunity that I had got to work in the nest because I could only see this as a plus on my resume.
I actually chose Atlantis University because going into their website, I realized they offer things like small size classrooms. For me, that's essential when it comes to learning because being able to be in a fewer student populated classroom, I feel you interact better, you can hear the professor better, and you get to do a lot of things better than being in a large sized classroom.
I have to say that was one of my best experience studying. When I graduated from the MIT, got a job here in the United States, using the optional practical training. So right now, I'm working in a company that they hire me as the IT specialist thanks to the knowledge I learned here in Atlantis University.